To link Zelle to Chase, start by ensuring you have a Chase bank account and the Zelle app. If you do not have the Zelle app, you can download it from the App Store on your mobile device. First, open the Chase mobile app and sign in to your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu and select Zelle. If you do not see Zelle in the menu, you may need to select More Options or Account Management to find it. Next, select Set up Zelle and follow the prompts to enroll. You will need to read and agree to the terms of service. You will then be asked to verify your identity and link your Chase account to Zelle. To link your Chase account to Zelle, you will need to provide your Chase account information, including your account number and routing number. You can find this information on your Chase checks or by logging in to your Chase online account. After you have entered your account information, Zelle will verify your account and send a test transaction to confirm that your account is linked correctly. This may take a few minutes to complete. Once your account is linked, you can start using Zelle to send and receive money. To send money, simply select the Send Money option and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. You can also request money from others using Zelle by selecting the Request Money option. It is essential to note that when using Zelle, you should only send money to people you trust, as transactions are typically irrevocable. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using Zelle, as some transactions may incur a small fee. In conclusion, linking Zelle to Chase is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps, you can start using Zelle to send and receive money directly from your Chase account. Remember to always use Zelle responsibly and be aware of any fees or terms associated with its use.